Here it comes.
Yay! Can I see? Oh, it's so big, babe. Let's see, baby. Fragile. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Can I just get a signature? Sure. Cool.
Exciting.
And you're 10, right? Yep. This with my finger? Yep. Give me your finger.
Guitar.
Yeah. It up really good. Let's see if I can make it good. Oh yeah.
No. A lot of bubbles.
Got some padding in there. Look at this. Hey, look at this.
Candy?
Yeah, they sent me some junk food. Thanks. 3 bags of junk food. Look at that.
They give you candy?
Yeah, that was really nice. Oh.
Canada, babe.
Adjustable. Oh, they got tape on it. That was good. I suppose there's more padding in here too, I hope. Yeah, looks like padding. Well, cardboard, yeah. Oh yeah, they even got the script.
Hello, it's so beautiful. Wow, it's so beautiful. Wow, your new base.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, it's not that heavy either. Boy, that looks nice.
Looks nice.
It's like a plastic tab thing I just leave here. You don't really need that, but it just shows you what it is. Look at that, 5-position selector. Nice. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that works.
Do you like the color?
Yeah, it's my favorite color. Look at that. Nice.
Your new bass guitar. Nice.
Must be where electronics are.
Yeah.
That's a little scuffed up, but it is what it is. Look at 2 humbuckers with. Nice, huh?
Excited you to hear play. Where's the amplifier? Downstairs.
Yeah. There.
What's that? What's the name of it?
came with a strap. And I ordered one. Did I get it?
Oh, Yamaha, wait. Yamaha. There's no word, just the style.
Yeah.
Yamaha. Oh my God, certified Yamaha.
It's even, the strap's even pretty adjusted. I may lower it a little bit though. It seems kind of high. Yeah, I don't think it's in tune. So
Of course not. It's not tuning.
you can kind of cut away. You can.
Look, the design here, we go different color.
I have to use a tuner on this.
Wow. Big case, but very nice. It's included with the payment.
Fourth fret, babe. Use the tone.
I have a tuner. Do you need one? Do you need tuner?
I'm gonna try it by
Without
ear
tuner.
first.
Ah, okay. I have tuner. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow, like, and comment. See you on my next vlog.